Kanhun Menteri Jog Sorkar Jela Meghalaya Negasngi Kala Mynjur ya ke Standard Operating Procedure halor ke jingpyndonkam ya ke jingpyndonkam ya ke iit-iong nangta ki lightsaw bat kumjuru ya ki siren ha ki kali jongki habai keren kinong thok kobor menteri rangba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma ulai thu ba ke Kanhun Menteri Kalarai ba ansha banbu ya ki iit-iong tang hai ki kali Sorkar ki badai ki Z+ bat ki Z kategori ki bakham don jingma nang cai ki kali man penpa siren ansha tangi ki kali pulet ki kali penlibding bat ya ki kali ket nongpang bat kumjuru ya ki kali jong kinong pahara ya ki VIP bat ya ki VVIP.
We had a very special cabinet meeting today. As you can see that we are here in Watts Lake, and this is the venue of the program that we had for the Japanese arena during the cherry blossom, which continued into the Lit Fest, which will continue into other aspects of our own culture and tradition, which will be showcased in the next couple of weeks, moving forward into Christmas. And therefore, we thought that it's most appropriate to have a cabinet meeting right here in this venue to overall get a feel of the entire festival, and at the same time allow the cabinet itself also to be part of this entire festivals and the programs that we're having. So it's a very special cabinet. It's also special because it was quite long. So we're almost here for 4 hours. Having said that, we had about 16 formal items. I'll just go through all of them. I will not go into details, but you can ask questions after that. Very, very short questions. The first formal item which we took up today was the proposal for adopting the standard operating procedures in matters of using of beacons, flashers, sirens, tinted glasses, etc. in official vehicles. So in a nutshell, what that means is who can use a siren and who cannot use a siren, and also who can have tinted glasses, who can have flashers. All of those aspects were discussed, and there is a strong feeling among the cabinet that there needs to be a mechanism that would control and limit the use of such kind of sirens, one we can hear right now, in the entire process.